Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing while launching the Valorant you got a connection error with error code VAN79. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. Go ahead, right click on start menu, choose option run. Type here services.msc and hit the enter key. Now here press the V key to find a service with the name VGC. Double click to open it. If it is stopped, click on the start option to start the service at once. In the startup type, choose it automatic, hit apply and OK button. Do the same with virtual disk also. Open it, start the application as soon as you find it is stopped and then make it automatic. Hit apply and OK button. After doing this, click on start menu and type in CMD, choose the option run as administrator. Now type two commands one by one. Both the commands I will share you in the description of this video. Copy and paste over there and then hit the enter key. Now copy the second command and paste right over here and hit the enter key. If it is giving you the error like it is protected by secure boot policy, just let it be and proceed with the next step. Launch your Valorant. After launching the Valorant, click on your profile icon and here you will find the option of account details. Click on it. This will open the account details. If you need to sign in, go ahead, sign in, and then from the left pane, click on the option two-factor authentication. Over here you will find the option of login management. Go ahead, click on the option log out everywhere. Once you choose the option log out everywhere, this will log you out from every possible device that you have recently logged in. After doing so, close it. Now close the riot Valorant. From the drop down list also, right click and choose the option exit. This will completely exit the riot client. Now again, launch the riot client. Go ahead and log in using your user ID and password, and once you are logged in, try to check or play the game to fix out the issue of VAN79. These are the simple fixes that help you resolve the issue. If this failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. For the next step to work, first of all make sure you close riot client. Even from the system tray icon also, if it is running, right click and choose option exit. Make sure riot client and riot vanguard is not running into a system. Then click on the start menu and type CMD, choose the option run as administrator. Type here two commands one by one. delete VGC and hit the enter key. Next one is delete VGK and hit the enter key. This will delete the vanguard services. Now close it. Now in next step, make sure to restart your PC, else these commands will not work. After restarting your PC, head over to C drive, program files, and here find a folder with the name riot vanguard. Right click and choose the option delete. You can see I have not restarted my PC, that's why it is giving me the error. So make sure you must restart your PC and after restarting, delete this folder. After deleting the folder, again launch the riot client into your PC. Now again sign in using your user ID and password, and once you are logged in, it will ask you to update the Valorant. Select the Valorant. It will ask you to update to install the Vanguard. Click on the option yes or update, and once the Valorant is updated, restart your PC and relaunch the game, and this will completely fix out the issue of Valorant error code VAN79. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.